about to share 2 services with you that when used together can explode your t-shirt business in these very uncertain times. Let's talk about it. What's up, guys? Gary Edgenay, t-shirthelpdesk.com. Make sure you go down and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will be notified of all this fantastic information we have on the t-shirt industry. All right, guys, as we all know, we are in very unprecedented times, okay? The world has been flipped upside down. People are losing their jobs like crazy. We are in the midst of a global pandemic, but I guess if there is a bright side to this, it appears that we are beginning to flatten the curve, and we are starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel. And as I've said to you guys before, plenty of times, a job is not promised to you. Y'all had best find a means of a side hustle or another stream of income. You should have multiple streams of income, and starting a t-shirt business is a great way to start. So I'm going to share with you 2 services, all right, that when used together can really potentially change your life. And what exactly is that? Drum roll, please. Printful and Placiet. It's a dynamic duo that's extremely powerful. All right, guys, let me show you how print on demand with Printful works. You take a piece of artwork like this. You install an app like Printful to your Shopify store or your WordPress store. You then would take that artwork and put them on items like t-shirts. Then when a customer comes to your store and orders that t-shirt, Printful will print that t-shirt and ship it directly to your customer. Now, enough with all this talking. Let's go under the hood and let's create some accounts. All right, guys, you want to go over to Printful, click the sign up button right there and sign up for your free account. Now, you're also going to want to go over to Shopify and get an account. And all you need to worry about is the cheapest account. That's all you're going to need to get started. Trust me. Okay, once inside of your Shopify account, you're going to want to go over to apps, and then you're going to want to put in Printful. Okay, you're going to see that Printful app come in. You're going to click on it. It's going to say add, and then you're going to go right there and you're going to install it. Okay, you're going to log into your Printful account, and you're going to see right here where you can connect your store, and voila, it's all connected. And with Printful, you can either add back neck labels, hang tags, the whole 9 yards. Hence the term print on demand. And when Printful is used in tandem with Placiet, you get these outstanding templates and videos that really take your t-shirt store to, a whole nother level is an understatement. It takes it to another stratosphere. Okay, guys, this is Placiet, and this is where you can pimp out your website. So let's click over here and let's go to t-shirts. Here we are. Let's go down the page, and you can see this is where the magic happens. You can make so many awesome things happen with your website with these done for you beautiful templates. And you can see, look at all the stuff, the different types of model, black model, white model, Hispanic models, things for different holidays. You name it, they have you covered. So let me show you what you can do. All right, we got this guy right here. We're going to change his shirt color to that nice bright red, and we're going to drop that Biggie artwork on it. Let's do that. Bam. And you can go right here and play with your sizing. Let's crop that out a little bit, and let's drop that in. There we go. And look how it goes along with the wrinkles and the folds and everything. Fantastic. We're going to add this to our site, and there you go. That's the power of Placiet. Now, when creating your own store, as you can see, I showed you Shopify, but you can also use WordPress. Now, the thing about WordPress, I'm just going to be totally honest with you. WordPress is, It's complicated. You have to use the plugin called WooCommerce, and then you have to integrate Printful with WooCommerce, and then integrate other plugins. Guys, do yourself a favor and just use Shopify. You will thank me later. WordPress, unless you're really into that, it's just a little too complicated. We want this to be nice and simple. Guys, hey look, I know I'm throwing a lot of different services and platforms and websites and all that good stuff, but look, everything is right down in the description box. You just go down there and click away and it'll take you right to all the sites, all right? Let's get back into this video. Now, the great thing about Printful is the variety, all right? You not only can have your own store with Shopify or WordPress, you can also sell on third-party platforms like Etsy and eBay. All right, guys, this is the back end of my Printful account, and this is what makes this so amazing. Let's go right here to stores. Now, you can see I have an eBay store, a Shopify store, and an Etsy store. And you could be selling t-shirts on all of these at the same time. Not just t-shirts, but several different print on demand products, right? Now, if you go up right in that corner right there, you're gonna see that I have specific tutorials on how to do each one of these, okay? So to get all the specific details and how to do that, because it's really involved, I can't put all of this in one video. There's separate tutorials for all of that. But look, you could be selling in all these different ways using one platform, Printful. Guys, check this out. This is Etsy, and look at this, your own t-shirt being sold on Etsy. But check this out. This is eBay. All right, your own t-shirt being sold on eBay with that beautiful image. Shopify, all right, with that fantastic theme we got coming out. Look at that image right there. Placiet, Printful, a match made in heaven. Sell t-shirts. All right, guys, you see it. Placiet, Printful, Placiet and Printful together. Now you know you're in trouble. Dynamic duo, I want you to go. I implore you guys to start your own website or at least sell on eBay and Etsy today. But listen, guys, I gotta go. I'm finna put some butter on these shoes and slide on out the door. God bless. Cheers to your t-shirts. Do something good for somebody and start a t-shirt business or die trying. Ain't got nothing but love for y'all and peace. Out of all this hot and shirt man, yeah, that's me.